You got enough stuff?
I don't think we got enough stuff.
How many vests does it take?
Yeah.
You can't kill a turkey without 5 or 6 people here.
We can't. It's day 2. We had a little weather push in this morning. It's kind of drizzling rain. We've actually got a turkey right here in the corner of this pasture. He's done gobbled a couple times. Hopefully the rain will hold off for just a little bit. And we can get him killed. The wind's supposed to get up today, so maybe he'll come this way pretty quick. We're gonna be wet. Alright, so after a quick rearrange, because water is literally,
You see that?
water is just running out of the truck. We've got some hens down here answering us already, back down in there where that gobbler was, so hopefully they get on the ground here in just a second if they're not already. Maybe they'll start coming this way.
The other one, flying into the field. Gobble in the woods. Another one just flew down. They're coming. I can't see it, but there comes the strut.
Is that him or is the turkey that's gobbling him?
Here comes another one out of the woods.
It's the turkey that's gobbling.
Here comes a gobbler out of the
Okay.
woods.
2.
2.
3 of them.
Here comes a big gobbler up there.
There's 3 gobblers or 4 gobblers. jakes.
One struck's hit the worst. Are they walking that camp right there with them two on the shooting? Shoot.
I'm trying to shoot the strutter.
Okay, I'm on. Just don't let him get too far right. I'm good.
He'll pick his head up.
Okay, wait, he's fixing to get behind the fence post. Okay, I'm good. Side's fucked.
You got him?
Yeah.
Can't see through my side.
I'm good.
That's one stick right there. Keep on.
Okay.
Got him?
Yep. That's what comes back. Hey, give me some, Skinner. Yeah. Boom.
That's a good shot.
Man. Look through that.
Oh my God.
Oh,
You can't shoot through it.
I was like, why can't you see, Mike? See, you just fine.
That's why.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
That's about the same power. Look at the head swelled up on that deer.
I imagine correct.
Well, he's pretty.
Man, he's wet, but he's pretty.
Take him back out to dry him out.
That's awesome.
There we go.
Man, when he got one, we said he wasn't very far.
He was
Literally, they flew down right there.
flying through the timber coming
Yeah.
out. Yeah.
So we were separated just enough that you were looking through a gap
Right
when
here.
you could see them. These weeds were
Yep.
obstructing one of us almost all the time.
Yeah.
And honestly, I probably shot through the edge of it.
Yeah.
But we had that and the fence post working against us. As well as, I don't know if you can see, but that's what I was trying to look through. So it was quite tensions were high, let's just say that. No, I won't call it a fiasco, but I was nervous there for a moment.
Them weeds right there kept getting us.
Them weeds, I was scared to shoot through the weeds. It's probably been all right at that distance.
How far?
23 to the step.
It's
41 yards.
I ranged it to the tree.
I said just about what Kyle did.
41?
41 on the nose.
Okay, boys. That's a wrap in Kansas.
Back here.
Let's go to Missouri.
We're going to